Four representatives of left organizations, namely Ganamukti Parishad, All India Kisan Sabha Tripura State Committee, Center of Indian Trade Unions and All India Agricultural Workers Union Tripura State Committee submitted a 9 charter point demand to the Chief Secretary on Friday, demanding adequate and immediate financial, health and logistics arrangement for the BPL-ridden families, poor families amid these crucial times of COVID during its second wave. The delegation included Ganamukti Parishad President Jiten Chaudhary, Pavitra Kaur, Secretary, All India Kisan Sabha Tripura State Committee, Shankar Prasad Datta, Secretary, Center of Indian Trade Union, Tripura State Committee, and Shamul De, Secretary, All India Agricultural Workers Union, Tripura State Committee. Using the metaphor of Nero's fiddle playing amid the Rome city when the city was getting destroyed, senior CPM leader and Ganamukti Parishad President Jiten Chaudhary strongly criticized Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb and the BJP government for not recruiting doctors, nurses and other medical staffs amid huge numbers of qualified youths and vacancies existing in the state, and also during this critical period of COVID. Also, no attempt of new post creation has been taken when over 400 doctors are jobless. In a letter written to the Chief Secretary Manoj Kumar, the Communist Party today placed 9 charter point demands, including proper food with nutrition for the poor. Refuting the logic of the BJP government about its claim of being inexperienced with COVID handling, Jiten Chaudhary said that COVID taught a lot in the last 1 year and thus the government has a clear picture about what was to be done as per the situation's demand. Talking to the media, leader Pavitra Kaur said that numbers of testing has to be increased more and more, and also gatherings must be restricted, especially in the marketplaces.
মাননীয় সম্মানিত যে মুখ্য সচিব তার কাছে চিঠি দিয়েছি। আমরা ডেপুটেশনও যেতে পারতাম, যেহেতু কোভিড পরিস্থিতি এবং আগরতলা শহর এটার একটা ভয়ঙ্কর একটা পরিস্থিতি এখানে তৈরি হয়েছে। কাজে এই জায়গায় গিয়ে মুখ্য সচিব প্রশাসনের কেন্দ্রবিন্দু নিশ্চয়ই তার দপ্তর ব্যস্ত থাকে, বহু লোকের আনাগোনা, আমরা সেখানে।
Based on basic and very crucial issues, the CPIM placed following demands for early actions from the end of the state government. The poor families outside the income tax net, both in rural and urban areas, to be provided with 10 kilo rice per head per month and rupees 7,500 cash per family during this COVID situation. Adequate employment opportunities to be created both in rural and urban areas through mandates generation works by strictly following the COVID protocols. At least 10 mandates should be provided to each family in each month out of REGA. An inventorization, that is address, phone number and employees detail etc. of migrant laborers who are working in different states should be prepared forthwith. Considering the lockdowns already clamped in many states, one help desk should be set up immediately. Similar inventorization should be prepared for the migrant workers from the other states working in the state. The CPIM further demanded universal vaccination program to be launched immediately, COVID hospitals to be set up in all district headquarters and remote subdivision of the state with all necessary equipments and trained staff. All vacancies of doctor, nurse, paramedical and other healthcare workers in the health department to be filled up on urgent basis in order to combat the situation of COVID. Expenditure of all COVID related treatment both in government and private hospitals to be made free of cost. Like previous year, junior families should be provided with seats in free of cost and subsistence allowances for at least 3 months from the state government and TTADC. All unserviceable drinking water sources should be repaired on war footings. Like previous years, drinking water should be supplied to the hilly and dry area people by vehicle mounted tankers and storages. Bureau Report, Halabol.